Okay, so we got the keynote first, Dagmar Monet. She's a professor and she's going to talk about artificial intelligence.
Very excited for that.
But after that, it's a full program. So I don't know how to choose between Maaike Brinkhoff and Klaartje van Zwol, because one is about struggling when you're learning to code and the other one is how to become a better team player. And I know both women and they're great and fun speakers, so I know that the presentations are going to be good.
Yeah.
But at the same time,
I know, and Elizabeth Hokke and Alex is just. How do I choose between and Paul Holland as well?
What? Hey,
God.
but Paul is. Oh no, because okay, so Klaartje and Maaike are at the same time, but they're shorter talks from 45 minutes, and Paul is after that. But the tutorials here from Elizabeth Hokke and where's Alex? But they're longer.
It's here.
Oh, okay. Alex is a short one as well.
Yeah.
So you can combine those.
Yeah. Well, I think I'm still going to go to a tutorial because I really like to also do some tutorials. And in the afternoon, I already want to go to a talk. So.
There's the afternoon.
I think I have my day down for today.
What are you gonna do?
So I'm going to go to Elizabeth and then go to Jack Gregory.
Okay.
And then
hey, isn't that Janet Gregory's husband?
That is January.
Oh, that's cool.
It's about living with a tester, and I think it's going to be hilarious. And after that, I'm going to, cool down, prepare for tomorrow, have a little bit of a cool down period. And then tomorrow, of course, so much things. The FOMO is so real here. It's just insane.
Well, if you're going to Jack Gregory today, I can go to Jenna tomorrow.
Jantien, you can't go to a talk which is at the same time as our workshop, right here.
Oh, crap. But, and then I'm gonna miss out these as well. Oh,
yeah, I know. It's so much.
Okay, hold on. We need to let go. How can we make the decisions easier?
I don't know. It's just, you just need to go to something you find interesting and let go of all the other things you're going to miss.
Maybe
and
I have to do eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
Maybe that helps too.
Well, fortunately we're together and we can split up. So
true.
I won't be going to the same things as you are, except for the keynotes, of course. And then we can discuss at the end of the day what we've seen and learned, etc.
Yeah, I think that's a good plan.
And
okay.
We need to accept that some things we just have to miss out on.
Exactly. But let's do it.